We have got multinational customers like Klimaventa, Sparrows, Country Inn Hotels, Blue Box, Clivet, and well-known local customers like Blue Star, Voltas, Bolton, Tiruwal. We supply only original spares from Bitzer Germany. You can see the difference between the genuine and the duplicate spares. In the first picture on the left hand top corner, you can see that there is a gap between the connecting rods and the piston. On the right hand side, you can see the gap between the main body and the compression rings. The motors are original. The windings, you can see the difference between the original and the duplicate windings. Even we mention all the details of the winding. So that is why it's working as per the specification. And the local windings you can't get of that particular specification. We have got the excellence in compressor repairs. Or the compressors, whatever are coming to our green point, are repaired as per the standards of the manufacturing division in Germany. A professional inspection is done of the defective compressor. There is no compromise while we select the components which are to be used again in the repaired compressor. State of the art assembly is there in all our workshops as it is there in our main head office at France. We use all genuine Bitzer service spares. Careful reassembly of the old spares also, and the running test is done on the piston compressors. We stock a lot of spares like oil, motors, all the spares. There are about 5,500 spares for the piston and the screw compressor of the total list of compressors what we have. Now these are the compressors what we are getting for repair from the customer. Each and every compressor has got its own unique job number. Different job numbers are there for all the regions. Once we get a compressor, the dismantling starts. The service department makes the inspection report. It gives the brief details of how we have received the compressor, what are the damages done to the spares inside the compressor, and what may be the reason, that is the conclusion for this particular type of damage onto the compressor. Along with the inspection report, we give two quotations. One is for the supply of the spares to repair the compressor, and second is the service, that is for the overhauling of the compressor. Once we get a confirmation, the spares are issued, the assembly starts. After the assembly, pressure testing is done, vacuumizing, that is the dehydration is completed. Functional test is done for all the piston compressors. We actually start the compressor, we check each phase with respect to the earth. Then the pumping test is done from suction to discharge. Suction is open, the discharge pressure is given. The compressors are made ready for dispatch. You can see each compressor, the way it has come and the way it has gone out. Bitzer even believes in giving proper training to the end users, clients or the consultants. This is one of the training what we conducted last week for Zetatech staff, a local unit. And the same guys hands-on training on the compressors. This is the training what we conducted for Rhinac and again on the shop floor. This is for the Tata Motors at Delhi.